This is my no funny business demo of the robotic hand system working. So we're in the lab right now. Go ahead and move this. I have my master program uploaded on my hand sensor, my drone program uploaded on this one. This isn't demonstrating the tilt working, however, it will demonstrate finger movement working properly. I've had a lot of issues with batteries and power supplies. These are the only two batteries where the system will work properly. So in case one of these is dead on demo day, I want to prove that my hand system is working. And an exception to the thumb that is broken at the moment. The pin that does hold it into place has fallen out and been lost. Definitely. So actually, I'll fix it with the sun. This little dude right here real quick. I can show it can work. And we'll just tighten that up real quick. Yeah, this toothpick will hold up for our demonstration at least. So, it's not going to be plugging the computer showing the source code and all that kind of good stuff. We're just going to go ahead and plug these into our wall outlets here to give power to the microcontrollers. Go ahead and attach the hand sensor to myself. So, there's no movements in it yet, and that's due to the fact the servos aren't receiving their independent power source of this 9-volt battery, and that's the main issue I'm having with this project. So I'll go ahead and give those power. So there we go. So you can see when the hand is straight, and the thumb sensor is giving me a little trouble because it needs to be resewn. You can see it actuating there. There is a slight delay in the movements. That toothpick's not really holding up well. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out. I'll loosen our thumb sensor, that way it doesn't get in the way of the other fingers, because it happens to get in the way of both the pointer and the middle finger when they actuate. So here I'm gonna go ahead and do full hand crunch. You can see it actuates the whole hand. Release, all the fingers go back up, pointer down, pointer and middle down, pinky and ring. Here we go, wreck them, and then our little horns there. And that should be a good enough demo of the hand sensor working. So, yay, demo day. Hopefully this works then as well. If not, oh well. Move the power supply. I can see any more of the action. But yeah.